tough on the outside, but sweet on the inside.
Do you like pineapple? Well, if you do, then we share something in common. I mean, just the very thought of pineapple makes me salivate. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be talking about Ananas commosus, which is a scientific name for pineapple. But guys, before we go into the video, let's talk about the parts of the pineapple. Alright, so right here we have the crown, the peel, and under the peel, well, after peeling the skin of the pineapple, we'll find the pulp, and furthermore we'll also find the inner core. Guys, I know we're all accustomed to eating the pulp, right? Tastes so good. But did you know that the peel has nutritional benefits? Yes, it does. It has nutritional benefits, guys. And today we'll be talking primarily about the peel of the pineapple and the benefits that you can get from just the peel. So guys, I already have some peel which are in the refrigerator, so I'm going to be using that peel to make a juice. And I think, you know what, I'll also use some of this peel and some of the pulp to add to my juice. So guys, let's get prepping and talk about the benefits that we can get from consuming pineapple peel juice.
As previously stated, the parts of the pineapple are the crown, the edible pulp, the peel, and the inner core. Apart from the core, every other part of the pineapple is filled with nutritional values. The health benefits of pineapple crown is yet to be known.
I have some pineapple peel right here, which was already washed and placed in the refrigerator. So I'm just going to add them to this container right here, and then peel the other pineapple which I have. And I'll use some of the pulp and also add the pineapple peel from this pineapple. But first thing I'm going to do, guys, let me add this to the container. Right. Set it aside. The water is already on the stove to boil. And now I'm going to remove the crown from the pineapple. Simply turn it. There we go. That's it, guys. So bye-bye crown. And now we're going to wash this boy very clean. Very, very clean.
The peel or back of the pineapple is packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and other helpful compounds that contribute to its medicinal properties. Now, let's look at some of the potential health benefits of pineapple peel. Number 1. Enhances digestion. The water from boiled pineapple peels aids in the digestion process. These peels contain bromelain enzymes that aid the breakdown of proteinous foods, thereby improving digestion.
Guys, we have our pineapple peel along with some pulp right here. So now we're going to, right here, see you guys, yes? So now we're just going to add it to our water, which is actually boiling right now.
Number 2. Enhanced sexual performance. The juice from pineapple peel can serve as an aphrodisiac for sexual performance. Pineapple peel contains potassium, which ensures the proper flow of blood through the arteries during intimacy. Pineapple peel juice ensures proper blood flow from the heart to the genitalia, which keeps it turgid, long-lasting during intercourse. The bromelain contained in pineapple peel also boosts the testosterone in men and enhances both genders' sex drive. Number 3. Relieves cough and catarrh. Pineapple peels contain anti-inflammatory agents that aid in combating cough and catarrh. It does this by reducing the mucus blocking your airways, which could cause inflammation. It is also rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the body's immunity to recover from flu and common colds. Number 4, may improve female fertility. Taking pineapple peel days after ovulation might help thicken the lining of the uterus, thereby increasing the chances of pregnancy. It also enhances the level of fertility in women because it contains bromelain, an anti-inflammatory and anticoagulant agent that can improve implantation by increasing blood flow to the uterus. However, research supporting this benefit has not yet been established.
So while we wait, let's enjoy a piece of pineapple. Take the first bite. Alright. So good. Delicious. Alright guys, so I waited like 40 something minutes for my pineapple peel to cool. Alright, so now I'm going to strain it into this container. Alright, so let's do this.
Number 5, promotes sound sleep. Taking pineapple peel juice before sleeping can relax your nerves, thereby making you fall asleep easily. The magnesium present in pineapple peel modifies your blood pressure and also relaxes your muscles to make you feel relaxed. Number 6, protects against cancer. A 2017 study found out that pineapple peel was a potential source of antioxidant compounds. They found out that pineapple peels contain phenolic compounds, ferulic acid, and vitamin A and C, which exhibited antioxidant activities. This means that pineapple peels might help protect the body against cancer. Another study found out that pineapple peels was effective in combating alcohol-induced oxidative stress. Number 7, destroys intestinal worms. The bromelain present in pineapple is an active enzyme that helps in eradicating intestinal worms such as tapeworms. A 2016 study demonstrated that bromelain from pineapple peel could destroy gastrointestinal worms. Several medical studies have stated that pineapple peel might possess antimalarial, anti-nociceptive, and anti-inflammatory activities. Number 8, promotes healthy skin. The vitamin C and surplus amino acid present in pineapple peel help to smoothen the skin and make it glow. Pineapple peel also contains manganese, which eliminates dead skin and reduces aging. Bromelain enzyme from pineapple peel was also found to improve oral health by restricting the growth of Streptococcus mutans.
Pineapple peel juice is ready, and as you saw before guys, I added ginger because ginger also has its health benefits, but it always gives pineapple juice a little something. I don't know what is that something, but it makes it extra nice. So alright guys, so now we're gonna take our first sip. You know what? Take your first sip. Alright guys. Alright, let me take mine now. Heavenly guys, trust me, this is so good. So it not only is the pulp good guys, but the peel of the pineapple is also has its health benefits, which you should try and reap as well. So guys, if you did not know before that pineapple peel has its health benefits, come on guys, you have to go and try and make this drink. You won't regret doing it. So no longer will you and I be throwing away our pineapple peel. We'll be utilizing it to make a delicious drink. Alright guys, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet and you're just watching, come on now, hit that subscribe button right down below. Share this video, leave a comment in the comment section right down below guys, and let me know what you think about this video. Is it a case where you knew before that pineapple peel has its health benefits? Let me know in the comment section guys. Until next time, I vow to never be mediocre. You should also vow to never be mediocre. Cheers!